What's up, YouTube? So I just got off from school and I'm just about to do a little quick POV video in the Civic. I'm gonna do a couple pulls, maybe even we'll spin the tires a little bit since it's wet out. So let's get right to it. My car, it's straight pipe, but it's not necessarily that loud because it's turbo. Got a little bit of spinning. I should have turned traction control and VSA off, because what it'll do, it'll apply the brakes. Hopefully you can hear the exhaust very well, because like I said, it's turbo, so it kind of muffles the sound out, so it's not as loud as if it were like an NA car. Let me set up a little bit. Yes, sir. Wait till I get K-tuner. I'll probably end up getting my brother's K-tuner that he has on his Accord, because what he's going to do is going to turbo his Accord. Oh, so now I got AC on. Bro, I'm over here flooring, it got AC on. I got to do another pull in a second. Might be some cops up in this section, so I'll wait. Damn, I can't believe I just did a pull with the AC on. I was wondering why it's taking a little bit of time to get up to 120. Usually I do it pretty quick. This car with the governor on it, it caps out at 130. So without the governor, it should hit about 140. I'm assuming probably about like 140, 146, something like that, based on where the RPMs hit at in 6th gear. Like when it hits about 130, it's like about 5,500 RPM, something like that. So if it was able to rev all the way out, it should go about like 145, 146. But that's just my guess. But like I was saying, my brother, he's gonna go standalone on his Accord, and then he's gonna give me his K-tuner, and then I put my downpipe on his car, do the intercooler and all that, and then run K-tuner and see how much boost we can run. I'm only gonna push it up to like 250 horsepower max, because you know, you run 300, it'll run it, but you know, but for how long? Oh, there go deer. No deer. I'll do another pull in a second. I would try it again, but it's too many cars out on the road right now, and I'm about to get off on my exit. So I guess no more highway pools for the moment. Just about to do some street pools, I guess. rambling. Hopefully somebody all right. We got the red light, so might as well do a little launch, huh? You know, the VSA is still on. Look around. Oh, the VSA wasn't on. That'd be even better. Not gonna lie, it's low-key kind of fun launching front-wheel drive cars. It's not really, it's pretty cool, but it's not really all that extreme because you don't really control oversteer, just understeer. So, you know, it's not really that hard for the most part. Traction control back on. The only thing that could get you in like a front wheel drive car is lift off oversteer, which is basically like, say like you're going around a corner really fast, you know, your car's front wheel drive, so there's no power being applied in the rear. So what most people end up doing is that they'll brake mid corner, so they'll make the front end dive down, and then they'll get back off the brakes and get back on the gas, and then the car will have an unbalance from the weight shifting to the front and then back to the back. So then what that causes is the rear wheels to lift up off the ground, then you lose traction, and then you're oversteering, or essentially trying to correct a front wheel drive car that is oversteering, which is, you know, not natural, being that usually to control oversteer you need a rear wheel drive vehicle to help the car rotate and be able to catch it. So, you know, I haven't really experienced that or anything like that. I do plan on taking this car to the track and actually getting, you know, some real driving skill versus, you know, just video game stuff. But that's coming later. I think that's all I'm gonna do tonight. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is just a little short video just for fun. Unfortunately, it's nighttime. I won't be able to have a chance to do a POV during the daytime until like this weekend. So until then, I'll see you guys in the next one.